people, especially white dudes, have a really hard time with this one word. And. You can be proud of the hard work that you've done and recognize that you've been cut a lot of breaks that probably wouldn't have happened to you if you weren't white. You can understand that your Irish ancestors were mistreated when they arrived in America. And you can understand that people of color are systematically oppressed right now. You can decide that abortion isn't the right choice for you, especially if you can't have an abortion because you're a guy. And you can want women to have complete control over their own bodies because you would probably also like to have complete control over yours. You can be straight as hell and love people who are gay. You can identify as a man or a woman from birth and love and support people whose gender is more fluid. And before you go and start trying to name drop all of your gay or black friends, you can be surrounded by gay and black people and still hold racist ideals in your heart, thoughts, and actions. You can make mistakes in the past and learn from them and do better in the future. You can believe things and you can change your mind. You can believe things and you can change your mind. You can believe things and you can change your mind.